Looking at the video creator that YouTube offers, and it's grown very well over the past couple years. Inside here, you can really get some good stuff if you'll apply this to your videos, especially beginners will enjoy this. They offer some Creative Commons video in here. Just remember, if you use any of the clips out of these anywhere in your videos, that you just show credit in your description box, and you can import photos to add to your projects. And they have some very nice background music if you want to include background music in your videos. I know I have used some of their music in several of my videos, and I am very particular about the type of music I use in my videos, and they were able to accommodate me. But one of the things that I really enjoy they offer is these transitions. All you have to do is simply just drag and drop everything from up here into your timeline, and you got your little scrubber down here, and you can drag videos in any order you want. You just simply click on your video here, and if we were going to put a couple of these together, we could just drag that one down there and drop it.
Hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhone Captain.
And then if we needed to fix anything, if we wanted to add some filters, they do offer some very nice filters.
Hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhone Captain.
And you can hear it's very easily added. And in here you can increase and decrease your treble, bass. You can pan.
Hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhone.
And it works very well. I'm going to turn this bass way up here, see what it sounds like.
Hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhone Captain.
And as you can hear, it sounds very well. And in here, if you wanted to add some text,
hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhoneCaptain.com.
They do a very nice job right here. All you have to do is just type in what you want, and it will update right across the bottom of the screen in real time. And then when you get done, you just simply name your project up here and click create. And overall, guys, if you're not comfortable using Final Cut Pro or iMovie or anything like that, it would be very easy to use like an iPhone 6 or iPhone 5 or anything like that. Shoot your video with that, upload it into YouTube, do all your editing right inside here, and then add your music, transitions, overlays, text, everything, filters, whatever you need, and then click create video, and it will take it straight into your channel. It's a very fast, effective way for beginners to start using their channel effectively. And it's not only for beginners. I mean, I even still use this right now, especially on projects where I put 2 or 3 videos together, and I may take the first half of this video and 3 or 4 minutes from another one and 5 or 6 minutes from another one, and I put them all together and mix and match and put some transitions in there and some music, and it's a new video. I mean, it looks awesome, and I've done that many times. And I tell you how I use it most of all. I'm going to give away one of my little secrets here. I do a top 10 or 20 tweak video about once a week or so. And when I get up to about 50 of them, I just put 5 of the top 10 videos together, come in here and put some transitions in and cut and paste and copy and tweak everything just a little bit. And that way I don't have to reshoot everything. I mean, just think of all the time it's saving me. I've already shot most of those tweaks anyway. And in some instances, I do decrease the amount of time that I speak about certain things and take certain things out. But it works. I mean, my point is, guys, don't dismiss this editor in here just because YouTube offers it for you. This is very powerful too, and a very effective tool. So use it and you will enjoy it.